Drop that zucchini! We've uncovered the pearls and the pitfalls of the most popular zucchini recipes on YouTube and provide everything you need to know for your very own nutritious and delicious zucchini dish. It's very uncomfortable to peel a cold zucchini, so you may want to leave them out of the fridge. This will also speed up the draining process. Next, we salt the zucchini in order to draw out water. To 250 grams of fresh zucchini, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and wait 10 minutes before wringing it out. Do not, I repeat, do not remove much more water as the zucchini can become stringy, which will adversely affect the final texture. This recipe works best for 130 to 150 grams of drained zucchini. You should always measure it out. I like using about 150 grams of zucchini for a chunky, meatier texture, but you can use less if you prefer a crispy texture. Now, rather than adding flour to provide structure, we have here instant oatmeal. And I prefer to add 3 egg yolks in place of a whole egg, which will give us a chewier, pizza-like texture. For the cheese, 1/3 cup of shredded mozzarella and 2 tablespoons of parmesan is all you need. And our secret ingredient is 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Without this, you may notice that it bakes somewhat unevenly and with a dried out appearance. Nutritional yeast also adds this wonderful cheese-like umami flavor and B vitamins, which we like. We finish this off with a fantastic combination of savory seasonings, including 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of caraway seed. Mix well and shape your zucchini on parchment paper. I like to pre-cut the pieces with a knife, which ever so slightly depresses the edges, making them appear more like puffed bread. Bake on a sheet preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove after 12 minutes, top with extra mozzarella, then bake 3 to 4 more minutes. All done! Before we serve this, let's garnish it with fresh parsley. To prepare the parsley, just tear the smaller branches off and group all the leaves together. Remove the leaves and chop, making sure to carefully guard your fingers. Then go back over with the knife, but now using a rocking motion. Reform the pile, and repeat as necessary. Well, I hope you get a chance to enjoy this nutritious and delicious recipe as much as we have. Thanks for watching.